If you've been browsing online lately, there's a good chance you've seen ads for something called the Briza AC. It's marketed as a sleek, bladeless mini air cooler that supposedly blasts cold air the moment you turn it on. The website claims it uses something called cryoflux technology for eco-friendly cooling. It's ultra quiet, kid safe, and can even drop the temperature by up to 20 degrees in just seconds. Sounds impressive? Maybe even too impressive. So let's break it down. Is Briza AC actually legit, or just another overhyped gadget with a cool name? First big red flag. This product is classic dropshipping. When we did some digging, we found the exact same device being sold on AliExpress and Alibaba for a tiny fraction of the Briza AC's price. Same shape, same design, same features. That means you're not paying for special technology. You're paying for branding, ads, and a fancy landing page. And here's where it gets tricky. If your Briza AC arrives damaged, doesn't cool properly, or stops working, the return policy usually requires you to pay for return shipping. That's something they don't make very clear upfront. For a cheap device marked up several times, that's a risky purchase. Now let's talk about that cryoflux technology. It sounds scientific, but there's zero independent proof that this is a real or patented technology. No research, no engineering breakdowns, nothing. It's basically a buzzword meant to sound like cutting-edge innovation. In reality, Briza AC is just a small fan with a water pad. No compressor, no refrigerant, and definitely no true air conditioning happening. So when they claim it can drop the temperature by 20 degrees almost instantly, that's simply not realistic. A tiny fan like this can only cool you if you're sitting right in front of it. And even then, it's more like a humid breeze than actual cold air. Something else that stands out is the pattern behind this product. Briza AC looks identical to devices being sold under names like Megalife Cooling Ace, Serum Cooling Ace, and Out Fanny Cooling Ace. These rebrands pop up constantly. When one version gets too many bad reviews, they rename it, relaunch it, and start fresh. It's a classic tactic to avoid negative feedback catching up with them. Speaking of reviews, once you look outside the company's website, things get even clearer. Many buyers report that the device barely blows any air, feels cheaply made, or simply doesn't cool at all. Others say they struggled to get refunds or couldn't reach customer service after placing an order. Definitely not a good sign. So here's the bottom line. Briza AC isn't a scam in the sense that they won't ship you anything. You will receive a product. But what you get will almost certainly underdeliver and overpromise. It's not the advanced cooling solution the ads make it sound like. And the branding is far more impressive than the performance. If you need real cooling, you're better off getting a portable fan or a compact AC from a trusted brand, something that actually uses refrigeration technology. Have you ever bought a product like this? Or maybe you tried the Briza AC yourself. Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear what happened. And if this breakdown helped you avoid wasting money, hit like, subscribe, and stay one step ahead of the next flashy gadget that shows up in your feed.